Well, at least it's closer to the ground, and let's take it outside here and see if it looks a little better. As you can see, now the motor's sitting in there, right? It's getting better.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, got the 52 back in. Gonna get the drop spindles on the front, and nobody knew what the subframe was. I think I figured it out to be a 75 or a little later Nova, and it could be a couple other ones in there, but nobody was sure. So I got the drop spindles for that, and I just got wheel bearings and seals from O'Reilly coming up, and we'll see if those are correct as well, because like I say, we're not sure. So let's hop to it, dog.
Well, I know she can't be trusted, but can he be trusted? I don't know. I know he can't be trusted, but can she be trusted? I don't know. And if they ever decide to make this thing official, will either one of them make it out alive? I don't know.
So what I'd like to show in the safety of changing spindles, taking off your spindle at all, taking off this upper control arm at all, is my placement of my jack stand. You'll notice it's under the lower control arm, not just under the car. The reason it's under the lower control arm is because if you pop this ball joint off, that spring and everything is going to try to shoot down, and it could be very dangerous. So what I got is the weight of the car still sitting on the suspension while I get these in here, and that's the safest way to do it. It might even be a little safer to have my jack stand a little further out, just to give it a little more leverage. I did have to kind of give that the what for, pushing it down to get that nut started back on there, but at any rate, we got it.
He says he likes it rough, the only way he can't get off. I don't know. So she starts to choke him out as she starts going down. I don't know. He's gagged about to the bed and never been more turned on. Will either one of them make it out alive? I don't know.
Drop.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.